In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add plugins to your Weebly website. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com, then sign in to your Weebly account. From your dashboard, select the website you want to edit and click Edit Site to open the website editor. Once you're in the editor, click the Apps tab to open the Weebly App Center. Here, you can browse a wide range of plugins and extensions for adding extra features to your website. Use the search bar to find the plugin you need, such as a contact form, pricing table, gallery, social media widget, or any other app. Click the plugin to view its details. Then select Add or Install. If prompted, click Connect to authorize the app. After the plugin is installed, return to the Build tab. Scroll down to the Installed App section in the left panel, then drag the plugin onto the page where you want it to appear. Configure the plugin settings to match your needs, preview the changes, and make any adjustments to its placement or appearance. When everything looks the way you want, click Publish to make the plugin live on your website. That's how to add plugins to a Weebly website. Thanks for watching.